Hi guys, myself Ankita. In this video we shall see another problem on LeetCode. Hamming distance. So hamming distance between two integers is the number of positions at which corresponding bits are different. So given two integers, we have to write them in the binary form. Let's write the given two integers 1 and 4. So two integers they are given. So 1 and 4. So the binary format of 1 is okay. Let's write the binary format of 1 is 0001. They're represented with the 4 bits, and the binary format of 4 is 0 1 0 0. Hope you guys know how to write the binary format. So this is 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 2 is 2, 2 power 2, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4. So if we need to write 4, except 4, everything else will be 0. With 4 digits they are representing, so it will be 0 1 0 0. So if it is 1, except 1, all the other bits will be 0. So this is a binary format. And what is Hamming distance? Hamming distance between the two integers is the number of positions at which the corresponding bits are different. So you could see if I write 0001 and 0100, 1 and 0, the bits are different. So the Hamming distance will count 1 over here. Next, the distance bits are they alternative? I mean, are they different? No, 0 0 same. So here 0. Then if you come here 0 1, yeah, they are alternate bits, different bits. So count will be 1. Hamming distance will be 1 incremented by 1. So 1 plus 1, that will be 2. And here it is 0 0, so that will be 0. So number of positions at which the corresponding bits are different. So at two positions the corresponding bits are different, hence you return the answer 2. So 1 0 0 1. So these two positions at which the corresponding bits are different. So we have to calculate the Hamming distance between the two integers. That means if they are 12 bits, we have to represent the number in the binary format and find the value. So how do we do? So first what we can do is, we will do the XOR operation of the two bits. Why do we need to do XOR operation? As I said, Hamming distance is the number of positions at which corresponding bits are different. So to get the corresponding alternating bits, we can use the XOR operation. We know XOR operation. So if it is same bits, then it will give answer as 0. So if the bits are alternative 0 1 or 1 0, then it will give the answer as 1. So that's why using XOR operation we'll get to know how many alternative bits are there. So if you do the XOR operation, it will give the answer this 0 1 0 1, right? So 1 XOR 0 will be 1, 0 XOR 0 will be 0, because same numbers. 0 XOR 1, that is will be 1, then 0 XOR 0 will be 0. So this is the number we get it. So once you get this number, now in this number let's count how many bits are 1. Those are the number of alternate bits. So wherever the XOR operation has given 1, they are the corresponding different bits, right? So we'll take count of them. So what we can do is, we can do AND operation with 1. So if we do AND with 1, so 0 1 0 1, if we do AND with 1, if there is a 1 present over in the given number, then it will return 1. If it is 0, then it will be 0 1. Right? 0 AND with 1 will be 0. So once you do AND operation, so we got the answer is 1. So increment the count by 1 now. So count will be equal to 1. Next, after this, you have to look for this bit now. How do you do? You have to do the right shift. So doing the right shift means 1 will be count. So it will be nothing but 0 1 0 0. You right shift the bit by 1. That means you are dividing the number. So at this position, you will do again AND with 1. So 1 and 0 will be 0. So now count is 0. Now again you have to look for this bit. So at this bit, let's not take this 0. 0 1 0, we will take only that. So at this bit, you have to do again right shift by 1 position. That will give you 0 1. So you do AND with 1. 1 and 1 will be 1. So count will be incremented to 2 now. Next again do the right shift. So that will be 0. AND with 1. So that will give you 0. So count will be as it is. So write down the count as the answer. So this is the logic behind the program. So I'll write up the code and explain the logic together. So first we will have a variable called XOR, and we do the XOR operation of X XOR Y. So this result you have. Next we have to look for the Hamming distance. So let's write intent distance equal to 0. So next, while XOR not equal to 0, until it becomes 0. You have to do the operation, right? At last XOR will be 0. So if in case, if in case instead of 0, if here it was 1, so 1 and 1 will be 1 only. So that count will be incremented and it will become 3. Next you do again right shift by 1. So this right shift by 1 will give you 0. So until you get the 0, you have to run the loop. So distance plus equals to whatever XOR you have, you do AND with 1 and that is the answer. So next XOR will be right shift by 1. So at last you have to return distance as the answer. Okay, so here distance is distance plus XOR and 1. This is what we do. XOR this you do AND operation 1. If it gives 1, you add that to the distance answer. If it is 0, you add 0 to the answer. So yeah, and for Java also same code. So I'll submit it. Yes, successfully submitted. If you understood the concept, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll come with another video in the next session. Until then, keep learning. Thank you.